Hi everyone, Judd from Flat Six Innovations. We are dynoing an engine that we just built for a customer, and we are showing you some comparisons here. So this engine has an aftermarket air intake system. We covered up the name here, but this is an aftermarket air intake system that has to be used on this car because he has a wing that has these motors that lift and lower this two-stage wing. So they will not clear a factory airbox, but we wanted to show you the difference in power that this creates with the aftermarket air intake versus a factory 3.8 liter airbox. Now we're going to switch over to the 3.8 airbox, and we're going to move the mass airflow sensor from this intake system to the factory airbox so that all the componentry is the same except for the airbox. The red line is the initial pull with the with the aftermarket airbox, and the blue line is the factory airbox, the 3.8 airbox. The only difference was the airbox itself.